Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make balsamic salad dressing. First, gather your essential ingredients: good quality olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and fresh garlic. The key ratio is 3 parts olive oil to 1 part balsamic vinegar. This creates a balanced base. Next, mince 1 small clove of garlic very finely. This fresh addition provides a wonderful aromatic depth to your dressing. Now let's get mixing. In a small bowl, combine your balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and minced garlic. Begin whisking these ingredients together. While continuously whisking, slowly drizzle in the olive oil. This gradual addition helps create a smooth, emulsified dressing that won't separate quickly. Once fully combined, season with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, or to your taste. This basic recipe is fantastic, but feel free to customize it. For a sweeter dressing, try adding 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey. If you enjoy herbs, a tablespoon of fresh chopped basil or oregano can elevate the flavor profile significantly. Always taste and adjust seasonings as you go. Store any leftover dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Your homemade balsamic dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect for tossing with fresh mixed greens, drizzling over roasted vegetables, or even as a light marinade for chicken or fish. The fresh, vibrant flavors truly enhance any dish. Remember, a good dressing can transform a simple meal. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.